Hi everyone, it's back. So I just wanted to get up to the corner where everything's always showing up and let you see this real quick. Alright, it's been quiet around here for a few days, so I thought I'd swing by and check it out, and it's back. So let me come back here. I'm going to pan out, we're not going to stay. I just wanted to actually just show it to you. So different, I haven't seen it like that before. And look at that. So those are the little things that I talk about. And this is actually attached to it, and these ones are, you can't see them just yet, but it'll fill in and be a long rod of these things eventually. But this up here, yeah, I haven't seen it like that before. Well, I guess we got some stuff over here. What's going on? Oh, look at that. We got some morphing going on. It's getting close. Yeah, that's definitely... Oh, look at the dots in it. Oh, did it freeze up? Sure did. Okay, so before it shuts me out, because it probably won't let me refresh, it'll take the screen from me, the whole camera. That, I'm not sure if that's what was morphing or if it was one of these orbs, because I'm not sure exactly where I was. It might have been this. So I'm going to share that with you. And now I'm going to try to refresh. I may not be able to come back. Alright, the orbs are disappearing and that one's almost gone. So, did this come from there? I don't know, but look at those ones now. They're changing. Absolutely changing. Yeah, they are. Look at that. Yeah, that orb's going to take off. It's taking off, I believe. Alright, I wanted to get in here. Show you that. Yeah, those are changing too. Wondering if, ooh, look at that, kind of bleeding something. Wonder if that's shooting those orbs out. Maybe everything comes from here and spreads out. I'm not sure. Pretty fascinating though, would you say? Okay, there's that one. I think the other ones are still gone. They were there. Gosh, this is something else. Look at that. That's something. Not sure what it is, but it's something. Alright, we're going to keep it short. Just a quick share. Huh. Whoa. Very fascinating. Wow. Look, it's moving. Where's it going? It's breaking. I don't know. Ooh, the black dot. It's a CAD. That's some kind of... I don't know what it is. Alright, I gotta go make my tea. Let's see if there's any missing off the big one. Yeah, illuminating. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Okay, that's... I bet you they do. They come off here and they go across. All these are... I don't know. They break apart, I guess. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it about the weirdest thing you ever did see? Alright. These are little black things on it. All these. Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hope you're having a great night. Wonderful world of weirdness. Alright, bye.